right, we're down to the shop this morning and the Winterton boys are all excited. I got Jake over here. He's been bugging me for about this LJ 10 for what, 10 years?
Pretty close.
And he wants it so bad, so we worked a deal on it. We're gonna send that little girl home with him. Size matters. And he's gonna do his work to it. See what he comes up, and then he's gonna have to park it at my shop so when he doesn't come down and go wheeling, I can go use it for him. Make sure it don't get used up. What are you gonna do to it, Jake?
I've got ideas. Super Duty tons, linked, stretched, Honda K24, probably turbo 350, Magnum box to a 205 transfer case is the plans.
All right, so next time you see this down the road,
probably do a chopped stretch here, about 30 inches, because I want to keep the stock wheel wells.
See, there you go. So we'll get this old girl loaded and he's gonna haul it up to his shop up north and go to work on it. I'm kind of excited myself. And you notice it's right-hand steer, so that'll be unique.
Even cooler.
Yeah.
So hopefully Winter 4x4 Jamboree 2024 will be its debut.
See, there you go. There it is.
Fingers crossed.
So in 1 year, we're gonna see if this thing's back together. That's what's cool about the LJs, that the 10s and the 20s are different. This is actually an air-cooled, 2-stroke, 2-cylinder with a 4-speed manual and a divorce transfer case. It's got an oil injection.
Drive and park and walk it. Come on.
And not the last 15 years of it.
Pretty cool.
Here, and we had to shift it. Why is it upside down?
Oh, I'm gonna get stuck on this.
Mom. There you go.
Look how tall he is compared to the windshield. You're gonna have to drop that seat a little bit. Oh my God, Priest, you got long legs.
Good thing I'm super tall.
And stupid. Size does matter. Maybe you'll have to let your 10-year-old drive it around.
It's Parker size, Brock size.
And there's something just a tow truck get hit right.
I think we can probably put fork extensions on and just set it on the trailer even.
Driver. Drive the opposite. Right over the barrel. Alright. Should we just lift it and slide the back end over? Seriously?
It is out of gear.
You guys turn the lockers on.
Where's Mom?
Oh no, bro.
Is that good enough?
Beggars can't be choosers. Oh. American driver, not your own. My hat. Here you backwards. At least stay on the right side of the road. Hey. I'm in the left. Don't do that. You're doing good.
I'm trying to work all those onions off.
Did the extensions for the fork be
Yes,
trailer and set it on
what
there?
I'm thinking. We'll just set it there.
I was gonna say we can run one into a snatch foot. Here's a fold down windshield.
Here's a snatch foot.
Yeah. No brake. You want to go straight out then? You'll pick it up on the side?
Yeah, okay, whatever.
I'll be able to come down the road and crash into it. Hey, come on.
Thing is small.
Don't scratch the BMW.
Dude, the axles are puny.
On the license plate? Stay there? Oh yeah.
It's even got a hit.
Height fork's coming off.
Oh no. All right, we got her all loaded. It looks really small next to that Explorer. It looks teeny on there. It's smaller than the side-by-side.
Can't even get up into that axle, so it's still not.
Hey Jake, can you hardly contain yourself?
I can't wait to get started on this thing.
He said he's gonna not be done with it for a year, but he'll be done with it in like 3 months, knowing Jake. He's got pools to clean next summer, so it'll be a winter project.
He's got several projects to do.
It's going to a good home, that's for sure. Jake will do this thing better than I have. I've just been storing it for like 15 years.
That's we can do with this shorter stretch.
I had another one of these LJs that belonged to a friend of mine, and I didn't know it was his, but I ended up with it in my yard. So I called him on the phone because it was registered to him and asked him what he was going to do with it.
Look where I've got to tie it down on the
And I needed a title and all this stuff, and he said, well, my buddy borrowed that to go deer hunting in it in like 1980 and never brought it back. So I loaded it up on a trailer and hauled it out there to his house, and it's sitting up there in his garage in Newcastle somewhere, and hopefully he'll restore it one day and put it back on the road. But it's pretty cool to see these old girls kicking around still in that good a shape, and we've been fixing on them and tracking them down for years, so a lot of fun. But the old LJ10's up the road. They're so cool. I've always loved these things.
I like the pedal faster.
Pedal faster. V2. 4x4.
This will be version 2 instead of V2.
Just 2.4 and then put V and then tech underneath it. So it'll go all the way.
Size matters. They're so teeny. They're so cute. 1972 LJ, Suzuki LJ10. So the longer this goes on, the more excited he gets. Look at this. He's like a damn kid in a candy store. Get up in here, puppy. Get up in here. What you doing? Even the dog's excited. Huh? Let's go. Get out. Get out of here. Get out. Get out. What you got? Huh? What you got? Huh? What you getting? Sit him. Get in there. What you got? Come here. Get in there. What's it got? Get up in there. Get in there. Get in there. Must be a rat in there.